So right here, out here on the porch, you can see that the porch is coming down. Not a good sign. You walk in, someone started the demo. You can see some of the wood has been already replaced from last time they changed the roof, perhaps. And studs don't look good at all. I recommend they be removed. You can see their long-term water damage there. And in between the studs, mold problems, rotted near the base. You can see that wood's just totally torn up there. Kitchen appliances need to be trashed. The cabinets all need to be trashed. You can see where there's a previous roof leak here. They replaced the wood and they scabbed in a support joist to rotted wood. I have a hard time believing that that rotted wood wasn't rotted when they scabbed that in. And you can see the deterioration of the studs here. They're just eating away. It's like a horror movie. All this material, drywall, obviously needs to come out. All this insulation needs to come out. These AC ductwork all needs to come out. You can see some of these. This is severe, damage to the wood. Over here, again, that all needs to be torn out. And then when you look at some of the roof here in the back of the property has had plywood replaced, and the plywood's all starting to mold up, deteriorate, right next to this dry and wet rot old roofing material here. As you move back, it's hard to see, but it just gets worse, not better. So on the other side, in the other bedroom, walk over here, you can also see that someone has put in plywood right next to rotted subroof. And the top of these joists, either need to be ground down or just replaced. And there's a slight bend to a lot of them where they're not straight anymore. And over on this side, someone again is scabbed in to wood that's not quite as bad as some of the other areas, but definitely to get in between all these studs is just about impossible to guarantee clean. That's why I recommend removing all these studded, framed out walls. Obviously the tiled shower there needs to come out. The tub, I guess, could be cleaned. The toilet could be cleaned. The sink is rusted through. So the only thing I would suggest saving out of this place is the porcelain or the steel tub, the toilet, and the hot water tank appears to be in pretty good condition. Everything else is a total gut. Mr. Dry out.